Alright, we have Drew and Frank here. They're going to work a little bit of situational personal protection. Drew's going to come up, he's going to place that weapon. Yeah, do it again quicker, and then when you're drawing down, make sure it's smooth. You don't want to fiddle with the weapon. Okay. Let's switch it up. Remember, when you're going to draw down, after you relieve that weapon and you draw down, make sure that's smooth and make your distance. You don't want him lunging for that weapon. Good. Don't look at the camera. Look at the man that you're drawing down on. Good. Switch it up again. Do it one more time.
Back up a little bit so I can...
Yeah, give yourself some room to work. See how you don't want to. You have the disarm. You're relieving him correctly. There you go. And switch it up one last time.
Can you switch it up?
Good.